Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow automation, and this automation is basically while using the dialog box, as you can read, it's going to open a file, an XLS file, and pull the data based on the headers, which we have already defined for headers. And there is a confusion in the file that the first row is not the header row, so I have kept it up to 3 rows. So if the data has the header in first 3 rows, it's going to catch the match the headers and based on those header matching, if there is if there is one or more headers are missing, it's not going to process. So all 4 headers should be matching so that it can process the data. Once the 4 headers are matching, the system will pull the data from all 4 columns, and then it's going to close the file, then then it will create another dialog box to open the data source file, which is having a already predefined tab data source 3, and it will clear the first AD columns, and then it's going to update the new data. So let me give you the quick demo. So if I'll click on this process data button, it's going to ask me where is the file. So this is the file which you have given me, and it has the data. So it's going to open it, and then again it's going to ask me about the target file this time. Now I'll select the target file for the next time. And as you can see, we have the data available already. Let me quickly show you the file source file and the result file. Yes, there is another thing that once the data will get transferred, this file will get closed automatically. I'm not closing it just to show you. Let me open both of these. All right, so we have these 2 files available again. As you can see, this one called, um, this is your raw data. And here you can see the file is called Puma, your holding file. I'm going to close this, and it has not the header in the first row, but in the second row. So this was the first fix. I'm closing it. Then this is the second file with the name. You can see it's target files. Let me clear this so that you can see this working again. All right, so I'm going to close this file as well by saving it. Yes, let's rerun the system. Select the source file and select the target file. And here you have the data again in the target file. As you can see, this is the same file which I just deleted the data from. So that is it from my side. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.